Hi, this is Jack at Jack's Transmission. Today we're going to talk about the 3000 GT / Dodge Stealth 5-speed 3S transmission. So with these units as they age, we've been finding more units where the shift shaft assembly is leaking. As you can see with this one, it's kind of a mess. It's been leaking for some time, and there's no seal, there's no replacement for this. There are no seals available. And the way this works is you have a bearing with this rubber, like what's left of a seal here is just completely rotten away, that actually seals up against the boot. It's a very poorly designed assembly already, and as the unit ages, it's just asking to be a problem. So we've decided to make our own assembly, and what we've done is here in-house, we've made a billet plate with a bushing in here instead of using the bearing. The bearing is a better design on that end. However, we only have a limited amount of space here to include a replaceable seal, so we made a bushing instead on this. And the seal sits on top just like this. It's exactly how it's supposed to be. So you have a nice bushing in there for support of the shaft, seal to prevent leaks, and it's replaceable too. This is a serviceable unit. And here it is on a shift shaft assembly ready to go. Probably a good idea to replace this considering the age of the platform, and we carry them in stock. We can make them anytime for your build, either that you have here or a build you're doing on your own. Check it out. Thanks.
Problem is,